Today's episode, we're going to talk about the power of content marketing to grow your insurance business. You know, in today's crowded insurance market, standing out can be a real challenge. And as an insurance agent, you're constantly juggling lead generation, client retention, and just staying ahead of the competition while still trying to provide exceptional service to your clients. But what if you could accomplish all of that and more without stretching yourself thin? Well, that's where content marketing comes in. Picture this. A homeowner is searching online for tips on protecting their home during storm season. They find an article you've written that explains home insurance in clear, relatable terms. And by the time they finish reading, they see you as the go-to expert they can trust with their insurance needs. That's the power of content marketing. When it is done well, it allows you to educate, inform, and engage potential clients while growing your business at the same time. You see, content marketing has some significant benefits for the growth of your business. Number one, it builds trust and credibility by positioning you as an expert. It also increases your online visibility, making it easier for clients to find you when they're ready to buy insurance. And valuable content nurtures leads and strengthens relationships with your existing clients, driving long-term growth. So I want to help you understand content marketing in the context of insurance. So when we talk about content marketing, it's all about creating and sharing useful, relevant content to attract and retain clients. This could be blogs, videos, infographics, newsletters, or even social media posts. And unlike traditional advertising, which focuses on selling, content marketing is centered on helping and educating your audience. So, why does content marketing matter for insurance agents? Well, in the mind of the consumer, insurance can feel overwhelming and oftentimes confusing. By offering clear, helpful content that explains policies and answers common questions, you show your clients that you're knowledgeable and approachable. What this does is it builds trust, which is vital in an industry that is built on relationships. Now, when we talk about content, we want to look at content that resonates with potential clients. At the top of the list is educational content. Your clients are looking for answers. So write a blog post titled, "What is an umbrella policy and why do you need one?" Or create a video breaking down how deductibles work. By educating your audience, you make insurance less intimidating and you show them that you're here to help. The second type of content that works well is storytelling content. Stories make your services relatable. Share a hypothetical example of how a well-structured homeowner's policy saved a family from financial disaster after a storm. Stories like these can help clients understand the real-life value of your services. And then you have interactive content. Interactive tools such as how much coverage do I need, calculators, or quizzes. What those do is they engage potential clients and offer personalized insights. These tools are also great for collecting leads by prompting users to share their contact information. And then finally, you have seasonal content, where you address your audience's seasonal needs. In winter, you could write a blog about protecting homes from frozen pipes. In summer, share tips on insuring a vacation property. Seasonal content will keep you relevant throughout the year. Here are some key benefits of content marketing that you want to really consider. As we said before, it builds trust and authority. By providing consistent, helpful information, you are positioning yourself as a trusted expert. Clients are more likely to work with someone they trust, especially in a service-oriented industry like insurance. Content is also going to improve your SEO and your online visibility. When you regularly publish content with relevant keywords like affordable home insurance near me, search engines rank your website higher, and this makes it easier for potential clients to find you. Content is going to educate and engage prospects. So content marketing allows you to answer questions and address concerns before clients even pick up the phone. And this shortens the sales process and makes clients more confident in choosing you. And then finally, content marketing is going to boost your client retention. So regularly sharing updates, tips, and helpful resources will keep you top of mind with your existing clients and thus strengthen their loyalty over time. So how do you develop a successful content marketing strategy? Well, first of all, you want to identify your audience. Who are your ideal clients? Are they homeowners? Are they small business owners? Are they renters? Knowing your audience will help you create content that speaks directly to their needs and concerns. Once you've identified that correct audience, you can choose the right platforms, because not every audience uses the same platforms. A blog might attract homeowners searching for detailed information, while a quick video on social media might resonate more with younger renters. So choose platforms where your clients are most active. And then plan ahead with a content calendar. A content calendar will help you stay organized and consistent. Schedule a mix of blog posts, videos, and social media updates to maintain steady engagement. And then, of course, you want to track and refine your strategy. Use tools like Google Analytics or social media insights to see what content performs best. If a blog post gets high traffic, consider repurposing it into a video or infographic to reach even more people. Now, here are some tips to maximize the impact of your content. Focus on quality over quantity. It's better to post one well-researched blog per month than to churn out poorly written content. Be sure and optimize for SEO. Use keywords your audience is searching for, such as best auto insurance for young drivers. Leverage video marketing. Short, engaging videos simplify complex topics and are highly shareable. Promote across channels. Share your content on Google Business Profile, in newsletters, and through social media ads. And then be sure to repurpose your best content. Turn a blog into an infographic, a podcast, or a series of social media posts to maximize its reach. Now, let's talk about success. Let's say you write a blog titled 5 Questions to Ask Before Buying Home Insurance. You share it on social media and a homeowner clicks through to read it. After learning valuable tips, they fill out a contact form on your website. 2 weeks later, they become a new client. This is how content marketing helps turn curiosity into conversions. Now, let's talk about some of the common challenges and how do you overcome those. The first one is time management. Struggling to find time to write blogs or create videos, that's a big challenge. Consider outsourcing to a marketing agency or using tools like AI to draft your content that you can then refine. What about compliance concerns? Ensure that your content follows industry guidelines and avoids making promises or claims that could be seen as misleading. And then, of course, you want to measure your return on investment because content marketing is a long-term strategy. And while your results may not be immediate, tracking metrics like website traffic, social shares, and lead conversions will show the impact over time. Now, let's talk about the future of content marketing and insurance. As technology evolves, so do marketing strategies. AI can help you personalize your content for clients or create interactive tools to engage them further. Transparency and trust are going to remain critical, so focus on delivering honest educational content that builds strong relationships. Now, to wrap this all up, content marketing is one of the most effective ways to grow your insurance business. And by educating your audience, answering their questions, and building trust, you can attract new clients and strengthen existing relationships. So don't let the complexities of content marketing hold you back. If we can help you develop a content marketing strategy, schedule a free strategy session with Agent Branding and Marketing. We'd love to talk with you. You can do that at agentbrandingandmarketing.com, and let's help you develop a custom plan to help your insurance business thrive. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to talking with you on our next episode.